Tired of your Jira dashboard showing you a bunch of useless info? I get it. You log in every day and you're staring at gadgets you never use, while the data you actually need is buried somewhere else. The good news is that in under 5 minutes, you can turn that generic, cluttered page into a personalized workspace that actually helps you get work done. So here is the plan. We are going to open your dashboard, add the gadgets that matter, adjust the layout to fit your workflow, and even customize the colors so things are easy to scan.
Let's dive in. First, log into your Jira account. Pretty straightforward. Just head to your instance and sign in like you normally would. Now, once you are in, look at the left side of your screen. That sidebar is your best friend. Click on Dashboards. This is where all your saved views live. It might take a second to load if you have a lot of them, so give it a moment. Now, choose the dashboard you want to customize. If you have multiple dashboards, pick the one that feels the most cluttered, or the one you use daily.
That is the one we want to fix. Go ahead and click on it. All right, so now you are looking at your dashboard. See that button all the way up in the top right corner that says Edit? Click that. And here is the thing a lot of people miss. You are now in edit mode. You aren't breaking anything. You can move things around, delete things, and nothing saves until you click Done. So feel free to experiment. Now we are going to add a new gadget. Over on the right side of the screen, you will see a panel pop up with a list of gadgets. This is where the magic happens. Do you need to see your unresolved issues? Maybe a pie chart of your project statuses? Or a quick filter for your team's active sprints? Just browse that list. Find the one you want and click the Add button. It'll drop right onto your dashboard. You can drag it around to whatever spot feels right. In my experience, putting your most used gadget in the top left saves the most clicking time. Speaking of layout, let's talk about that. You do not have to keep the default one-column setup. Click on Change Layout at the top right. You will see options for 1 column, 2 columns, or 3. If you are tracking a lot of different data points, 2 or 3 columns can really help you see everything at a glance without having to scroll. Play with it, see what fits. And here is a really nice touch. You can also change the highlight color on each column. So if you want all your priority items in a red column and your completed tasks in a green one, you can do that. Just click the 3 dots in the top right corner of any column. A menu will pop up. Choose your highlight color. It is a small thing, but it makes a huge difference when you are scanning your dashboard quickly in the morning. Once you have everything looking exactly how you want it, just click Done at the top right. That saves your changes. And just like that, you have gone from a generic, unhelpful dashboard to a personalized, efficient workspace. No more wasted time hunting for the information you need. It is all right there, exactly where you put it.